Yeah, there you go. You're
Can I
recording right
look?
now.
Pay attention to the cars.
I don't know what's recording.
Don't worry
You
about
can't
that.
see, you just point.
Oh, I just point.
Well,
Okay.
you're going straight north. Keep going. As soon as you get past that last strand of trees, you're going to start bearing down.
Yes, sir.
Straight north. All right, we're doing great.
We're going to come in some more rain here.
What a great time the storm to hit. Boat is dead.
Go ahead, get it all
Right
out,
between
Lou.
two freaking land masses.
Get it all out, Lou.
Go ahead,
Act
David.
like a sailor.
I'm Captain Mike. Tell me what you think.
I'm telling you, this is what a rail sailor does. He embellishes the story. We're dying out here, damn it! It's Sharknado week! WTF!
That's it.
It's the Kraken!
Look, tell her where the insurance policy is.
T, look in the bottom file cabinet. Life insurance policy is in the bottom drawer.
I got it hard over and I'm still going.
And the admiral
I can't help
and
you
the
too much there, Brian.
the vice admiral
I guess.
are
Yeah.
still
We're
I
stuck
don't
in
have
time.
anything
high and
here.
dry.
I'm loving.